Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Folks, it was a bit aggressive as far as the winds go up at Mount Bachelor. I just checked out. They had a 58-mile-an-hour wind gust today, and that was pretty much off and on in the mid-morning to early afternoon. Let's take a look at what's going on now up in the parking lot area. And you can definitely see the new snow covering the parking lot, looking pretty good. There's some mist covering the top of the mountain, and it has closed operations for the day. They shut down at 4 o'clock, but folks are still out there enjoying it. Here are some folks coming back from Bachelor, and it's a pretty much snow-packed road there, Century Drive. There are tracks through the snow at Santiam Pass and Willamette Pass, and it's milder up in Government Camp earlier today. It's 27 now, but they just saw mainly rain earlier. Here's a look at the wet road at Sisters. They have wet roads and about 34 degrees. Everybody else is on the dry side. It really wasn't that much of an event here through the high desert, but the mountains certainly got the lion's share of the wind and the snow. We still see some snow tonight with the winter weather advisory in place specifically for the mountains. High desert's going to be drying out. We'll call it partly cloudy tonight. Winds are still going to be gusty at lower elevations and still get a bit sporty up along the crest of the Cascades. We have a grand total of about 5 to 7 inches around Bachelor, about 7 to 9 around Santiam Pass. Winds are still going to be a bit gusty, and the travel will be impacted through that region. Lower elevated locations, we're only going to get what I refer to as a wintry mix. These numbers here, no accumulation. What happened was if we did get anything that did fall, which wasn't anything anyway, it really would have melted as it hit the ground. But we are going to be seeing about another 4 to 5 inches along the crest of the Cascades. We got 43 in Bend and Redmond right now. We'll call it mostly cloudy, a bit windy in Redmond with a 17-mile-an-hour wind. That's classified as breezy, but let's take a look at the future track gusts. By 11 o'clock, things are relaxing a bit, and then they kind of ramp up a bit in the morning hours. We see the winds coming down from the north. This is at 9 a.m. So you have 25-mile-an-hour wind there in Redmond, 25 in Prineville. And as we see the 1 p.m. time frame, we're looking at winds gusting at about 25 miles an hour as well. So it still will be a bit brisk tomorrow through the region. Satellite and radar indicates to us that we're watching this moisture coming in off the ocean and then getting squeezed out by the mountains and not making it into the high desert. So as we do take a look at it, you are seeing that. I drew this earlier, but I'll just show you exactly where the crest of the Cascades are, and not much is making it past that line that I've drawn there for you. Future track does have us seeing the opportunity for clearing conditions. We're drying out for a while tomorrow. We have some sunshine to see. It'll be breezy still at 1 o'clock. Then, as we get to 7 o'clock, we are looking at this northerly flow of wind coming in. We'll call it chilly and clearing. And then overnight, this is 2 a.m. Friday, we may see some snow showers before we get up in the morning on Friday. Not all models are doing that. I think we're mainly going to wait until the evening time to see some rain coming in through the mountains. And again, you are noticing the big picture with this big swath of cold air in the area and clearing things out for us as we do get into our Thursday time frame. So here's what we got going on for you as far as the future track 7-day is concerned. 45 with brisk and cool conditions, variably cloudy on Friday, back into the 60s on Saturday and Sunday, and will be brisk and chilly on Monday and Tuesday.